Hello, I'm going to show you how to replace a Series 32 non-vac with a Series 32 vacuum distributor on your unit. You're going to need 1/4 inch T-handle, flathead screwdriver, possibly a pair of pliers in case the bolt doesn't come out. Speaking of bolt, this shaft bolt right here is usually covered by a plug. We're going to remove that plug and we're going to remove the shaft bolt. Taking this out. Now, can't really get it out. It's where the pliers come in, so we can grab that bolt head, pull it out. I'm going to set that off to the side. Now, this is going to be on pretty tight, so it may need some torque from behind it or some applied pressure from behind it. I'm trying to do this with one hand. So you're going to put pressure in several different places around the head. Come from the bottom this time, and it's starting to come off. Once we get it there, we can take it off by hand. There's going to be a seal back here, just like that. I'm going to put a new one. I put a new one with every one that I ship, but this goes in the back there. Yours is going to come pre-assembled with the seal in, and then the set screw to grab the shaft right here, the keyway on the shaft. So basically, what we're going to do is we're going to take that set screw, line it up with that keyway as best as we can. I'm trying to film this and do it all at the same time, and we're just going to push that on. It's going to be tight. Sometimes you may need to just barely tap it into place with a little rubber mallet. You don't want to hit too hard because there's a seal right back here that you could break. Next thing, put our shaft bolt back in. Due to that set screw, it's not going to want to slide back in. Just be patient with it and thread it in. You start it by hand, and then once you hit threads at the back, you can hit it with the 1/4 inch. See, we just got past it. Now we're into the threads of the motor shaft. We're going to tighten this down again. I'm doing a terrible job of showing that. Tighten it down all the way. And once that distributor starts to spin with the bolt, you're going to grab it with your hand. I can't really do that, but you're going to grab right here with your hand and get a nice tight half rotation to make sure that that bolt's in there. All of these will come with a plug. That plug is going to set right in there, just like that. Take your little rubber mallet, and it's going to snap into place, and you won't have to put any adhesive or anything like that on it. It's a good tight fit in there. If you do have any questions, please give us a call. I hope this was helpful, and hope it answers any questions that you might have in the process of switching the non-vacuum distributor with the vacuum distributor.